Cool Persistence, Jimmy Johnson. So if you got in on this break, there's potential here. You probably got a hit of some sort. This is just awesome. Racing Champions, Brad Keselowski. Alright, second stack of box 4. We've seen some blue, of course, in these boxes. We've seen some yellow. Of course, like I said, we've seen a bunch of autographs. We've even seen an auto relic card tonight in the hot box. There's our blue right there. How about a Kevin Harvick? Blue, 12 of 35. Kevin Harvick, 12 of 35. Goes to John. Kevin Harvick, blue. What are Racing Champions? Jimmy Johnson. Racing Champions, Casey Kane. Racing Champions, Greg Biffle. Carl Edwards, Cool Persistence. Joey Logano, Racing Champions. Another checklist. How about a Cup Chase contest card of Tony Stewart? Cup Chase contest card, Tony Stewart. Goes to Mike. Alright, let's see what kind of relics we have in here. How about a Tony Stewart burning rubber, 153 of 199. 153 of 199. Daytona, July. Burning rubber, Tony Stewart. Congratulations, Mike. And a Denny Hamlin, 92 of 199. Burning rubber. Denny Hamlin's John. Congratulations, John. 92 of 199. And that's the end of the 4-box break. I'm going to do a review real quick of the hits, box by box. And then we'll work on the random. Thanks for joining us. All right. 3. All right. Box 1, 41 of 99. Mark Martin power pick. Marcos Ambrose, 5 of 35. Blue. Cup Chase contest card. Kevin Harvick. Autograph, 2 of 10, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. 2 of 10, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Burning rubber, Denny Hamlin, 50 of 50. 3-colored relic. Denny Hamlin, 50 of 50. And a Brad Keselowski, 199 of 199. And that's box number 1. Box number 2. Cup Chase contest card for Kevin Harvick. Mark Martin power pick card again, 40 of 99. Dale Earnhardt Jr. blue, 18 of 35. And how about another autograph? Carl Edwards, 9 of 15. For Carl Edwards. 9 of 15. Clint Boyer, burning rubber, 40 of 50. Joey Logano, 1 of 10. Burning rubber. 1 of 10. Joey Logano. And that is box number 2. Box number 3 was the hot box. Box number 3 was the hot box. Alright, we had a field card for the Cup Chase contest. How about a 15 of 99 power pick for Jeff Gordon? 15 of 99. Jeff Gordon. Joe Nemechek blue. 12 of 35. 12 of 35. And a Dave Blaney yellow. 4 of 5 for Dave Blaney. 4 of 5. Burning Rubber, Denny Hamlin, 54 of 199. Matt Kenseth, Burning Rubber, 55 of 199. And how about an auto relic, numbered 1 of 10, Tony Stewart. Multicolored relic, race used victory tire. That is something else right there. Tony Stewart. Certified winners, 1 of 10. And that was the hot box. That was box number 3. Box number 4 also had some fantastic cards in there. How about a Tony Stewart Cup Chase contest card? Kevin Harvick, blue, 12 of 35. Denny Hamlin power pick card, 88 of 99. 88 of 99 for Denny Hamlin. How about a 17 of 25 auto? David Gilliland. 17 of 25. And also in the power pick pack, how about a 2005 Press Pass signings of Brian Vickers, 81 of 100. 81 of 100. Brian Vickers. Nice looking auto there. And a Burning Rubber, Denny Hamlin, 92 of 199. And a Tony Stewart, 153 of 199. Burning Rubber relic. And that's it. The random will be coming up next. Thanks for joining us.